What drives an entrepreneur to start a new venture? This video explores the essence of entrepreneurship, from idea generation to global impact. Discover the traits, motivations, and economic roles that shape successful entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs are often characterized by specific traits. These include risk-taking, innovativeness, and proactivity. A strong need for achievement drives them forward. These traits help navigate uncertainties in business. They are essential for creating and growing new ventures. Motivations for entrepreneurship are diverse. Intrinsic motivations include personal fulfillment and autonomy. Extrinsic motivations involve financial gain and social recognition. Necessity-driven motivations arise from economic needs. Understanding these helps in grasping entrepreneurial pathways. Entrepreneurship significantly impacts the economy. It creates jobs and drives innovation. New ventures foster market competition. This leads to better products and services. Entrepreneurs contribute to economic stability and growth. Schumpeter's theory highlights innovation. Entrepreneurs disrupt markets with new ideas. This drives economic development. Creative destruction is key to progress. New products and markets emerge from this process. Kerzner focuses on entrepreneurial alertness. Entrepreneurs recognize market opportunities. They act on discrepancies in the market. This ensures efficient resource allocation. Entrepreneurs play a crucial role in market dynamics. The resource-based view emphasizes unique resources. Entrepreneurs gain advantages through strategic resources. These resources are rare and inimitable. They are crucial for long-term success. Strategic management of resources is vital. The entrepreneurial life cycle has distinct stages. It starts with idea conception. Testing and refining the idea follows. Entrepreneurs focus on opportunities. Resource commitment leads to market entry. A new idea begins the entrepreneurial journey. Identifying market gaps is crucial. Creativity and research fuel idea generation. Entrepreneurs develop solutions to existing problems. This stage sets the foundation for a new venture. Testing ideas is a critical phase. Prototyping helps refine concepts. Pilot testing gathers valuable feedback. Market validation assesses customer interest. This stage ensures the idea's viability. Focusing on opportunity is essential. Entrepreneurs target specific markets. They define a clear value proposition. A sustainable business model is developed. This stage capitalizes on identified opportunities. Resource commitment is crucial for execution. Funding and team building are priorities. Entrepreneurs allocate resources strategically. This stage brings the idea to life. It sets the stage for market entry. Market entry marks the launch phase. Marketing strategies are implemented. Distribution channels are established. Entrepreneurs focus on customer acquisition. This stage is vital for gaining market traction. The growth stage expands market presence. Operations are scaled up. Product offerings are enhanced. New markets are entered. This phase boosts revenue streams. Maturity can lead to stability or exit. Businesses may sustain operations. Some opt for sale or merger. Challenges can lead to decline. Strategic planning is key at this stage. Countries support entrepreneurship in various ways. Opening new markets is crucial. Fulfilling new needs drives innovation. Identifying market gaps is a priority. New products and services are encouraged. The U.S. excels in opening new markets. A robust legal framework supports this. Access to capital is abundant. Infrastructure programs aid startups. Silicon Valley exemplifies market openness. Germany focuses on high-tech sectors. Innovation fulfills emerging needs. R&D investments are substantial. Industry collaboration is strong. BioNTech's success in vaccines is notable. Israel excels in identifying market gaps. Military technology transfers are key. A strong VC network supports startups. Real-time traffic data was a gap filled by Waze. Israel's ecosystem fosters innovation. South Korea emphasizes technology and innovation. Chaebol networks support startups. Government initiatives encourage new developments. The K-pop industry's growth is remarkable. South Korea fosters creative industries. In conclusion, understanding entrepreneurship in business is essential for recognizing how new ideas, innovation, and risk-taking drive economic growth and create opportunities. Entrepreneurship involves identifying market needs, developing creative solutions, and turning those ideas into viable business ventures. By understanding the characteristics, motivations, and challenges faced by entrepreneurs, learners gain insight into the vital role they play in shaping industries, generating employment, and fostering competitiveness. A solid grasp of entrepreneurship equips individuals with the mindset and skills needed to pursue their own ventures or contribute effectively within dynamic business environments. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 074843 61688.